Imagine walking into a room you've never seen before. The walls are bare, the furniture is mismatched, and the lighting is, well, let's just say it's more horror movie than Home Sweet Home. Now picture this. Instead of hiring an expensive interior designer, you open your laptop, type in a few magical words, and voila, an AI transforms into your personal interior stylist, ready to design that space like it's straight out of an architectural magazine. The truth is, AI can do far more than just churn out generic suggestions. If you know how to prompt it correctly, it can give you detailed room layouts, suggest color palettes that work with your natural lighting, recommend furniture arrangements that maximize space, and even blend styles in a way that feels uniquely yours. But the real secret is getting AI to think like a human designer, to understand mood, emotion, and personality, not just measurements and aesthetics. Let's start with style direction. Most people make the mistake of saying, "Design my living room." That's like walking into a cafe and asking for some food. You'll get something, sure, but will it be tailored to your taste? Not likely. Instead, feed the AI specifics, your preferred style, modern, Scandinavian, boho, industrial, your favorite colors, whether you want the space to feel cozy, airy, or bold. Describe the atmosphere you want to create. A warm, inviting family space with earthy tones, or a sleek, minimalist work-from-home setup with a touch of greenery. This level of detail pushes the AI to think beyond function and into feeling, the same way a human interior designer would. Next comes space planning. AI is great at visualizing layouts if you provide dimensions. Give it your room measurements, door and window placements, and even the direction of natural light. Ask it to optimize for both movement and visual balance. A good prompt might be, given a 12 by 15-foot living room with a window facing east, design a layout for a modern Scandinavian style with neutral colors, maximizing seating and open space. This allows AI to act less like a random suggestion generator and more like a strategic planner who understands how people actually use the space. Then, there's color psychology. A skilled interior designer doesn't just choose colors based on trend. They think about how colors affect mood. AI can do the same when prompted properly. Instead of just saying, blue walls, say a muted blue that promotes calm and complements natural sunlight in the morning. AI tools can then recommend specific shades, even exact paint codes from popular brands. So you're not stuck guessing between 50 shades of almost blue. Furniture and decor selection is where things get fun. AI can recommend not only what pieces to buy, but also where to place them for maximum aesthetic appeal. You can ask it for a shopping list, complete with online store links, dimensions, and price ranges. But don't stop there. Give it constraints, like budget under $2,000, or only sustainable, eco-friendly materials. Just like a real designer, AI will work within your requirements and still create something beautiful. Layering is another area where AI can shine when guided well. Great interiors aren't just about the big pieces, they're about the details. Ask the AI to include layers like textured throw pillows, a statement rug, soft ambient lighting, and wall art that ties the whole theme together. By requesting a final mood board or styling tips for finishing touches, you push AI into delivering the designer's final polish rather than stopping halfway. One more insider trick. Make the AI role play. Literally tell it, act as an award-winning interior designer with expertise in small space optimization and luxury aesthetics. You'll notice the tone of its recommendations shift. The language becomes more curated, the suggestions more thoughtful, and the result much closer to what you'd get from an actual professional. You can even ask for multiple design concepts. Give me 3 completely different design proposals for the same room, and compare which one feels right. Finally, use visuals. Many AI tools now integrate with image generation, so you can turn your text prompt into photorealistic renders. This is where your dream space comes to life before you even move a single piece of furniture. You can tweak the design in real time, change the sofa color, swap the flooring, or add an accent wall until it's perfect. By the end of this process, AI isn't just acting like a tool. It's acting like your creative partner, your personal interior designer who's available 24/7, doesn't charge hourly, and never runs out of ideas. The only limit is how well you communicate what you want. Treat it like you would treat a real designer. Give it context, share your inspirations, set constraints, and be open to exploring ideas you might not have thought of yourself. The future of interior design isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. With the right approach, AI becomes more than just a machine that spits out pretty pictures. It becomes a design collaborator that understands your personality, your needs, and your dreams for the space you live in. And once you experience that level of tailored creativity, you'll never go back to just browsing random Pinterest boards again. You will find all the prompts mentioned in this video in the description box. Do check them out. This is Prompt Yogi. Thank you for stopping by.